All right, these are our 5153 word problems, day 2 notes. We're going to go to example number 3, and then we'll also do example number 4, and then, yeah, that'll be it. So example number 3 says a group of 40 children attend a baseball game on a field trip. Each child received either a hot dog or a bag of popcorn. So out of the 40 kids, either they had one hot dog or one popcorn. That means 40 items. Also, hot dogs were $2.25 each, popcorn was $1.75 each, and the total was $83.50. How many hot dogs were bought? So the question is how many hot dogs? So at the end, we just want hot dogs. So um, what we want to do here is this is sort of like the coin question. We have two totals here. We have a total number of children, which is really the total number of items bought, and then we have a total. So that will be equation 1, and then equation 2 is going to be a total value. So our variables are actually going to be, they're talking about hot dogs and popcorn. So H is going to be the number of hot dogs, and then we're going to do P, which is the number of popcorns. So equation 1, the number of hot dogs plus the number of popcorns bought totaled 40 because every kid got something, and there's 40 kids. Each one got one thing because it says each child. Equation 2 deals with the cost. We know that hot dogs are $2.25 times every hot dog, and popcorn was $1.75 times every bag. That totaled $83.50. Now, one thing we do is our trick from the last lesson is get rid of my decimals and write this as 225H plus 175p equals 8,350. I just dropped the decimal points there. Now, because it's asking for the number of hot dogs, I want to eliminate the popcorns. So if I have 175 popcorns right here, I want to multiply this by negative 175. Actually, I don't need the decimal point there because we are doing the whole amount, not the cost. So minus 175 on both. And when that happens, I'm going to get negative 175H minus 175P equals negative 7,000. I'm going to rewrite my equation number 2, which is 225H plus 175P equals 8,350. And then from there, I'm going to get that I have 50H equals 1,350. When I divide by 50, I get that H equals 27 hot dogs. And that's all they're looking for is a hot dog, so I don't have to go back and find the number of popcorns, but if you did, it'd be 13 popcorns. All right, example number 4. The perimeter of a garden is 76 meters. The length is 8 more than the width. Find the length and the width of the garden. All right, first off, we need to understand that we have a garden that's rectangular, and we have 2 lengths and 2 widths. And perimeter means you add all of them up. So one of my equations here has to deal with the perimeter being 76. So that's going to be right here. Now, our individual variables are going to be L for the length, and we're going to W for the width. In perimeter, you have 2 L's plus 2 W's. So 2 lengths plus 2 widths equals the perimeter, and the perimeter here is 76. Now, equation number 2 is going to be this right here. The length is. So is means equal. So L equals, is means equal. 8 more means I'm adding 8 to something. So 8 more means you're adding 8. What are you adding 8 to? It says the width. So this is actually a substitution question. So I'm going to go ahead and just do my good old substitution by plugging this W plus 8 in for this L, and let's see what happens. I'm going to get 2 times W plus 8 plus 2W equals 76. We're going to go ahead and do our distributive property to get 2W plus 16 plus 2W equals 76. That gives me 4W plus 16 equals 76. And that gives me 4W equals 60. So that means W equals 15. Now, it talks about meters up here. So this is going to be meters. So the width is 15 meters. Now we need to find the length. It just so happens, equation number 2, we're going to take the L and plug in the 15 for the width. So 15 plus 8 means our length is equal to 23 meters. All right, that's it for our notes today. If you have any questions, please reach out, and best of luck on this lesson.